Welcome everyone. So, little progress since the last episode. As you can see, I have the steering pump in place. Well, it isn't screwed on yet because I want to clean up the piping and see maybe it needs to be changed. Put a bit of paint on it, just so dirt don't get on it, through it as fast. Yeah, and as you can see, the fuel and brake lines are new. We'll touch them in a moment because, well, they are installed, but I haven't finished the rear end. But yeah, I need to remake these ends on this brake force distribution stuff thingy. I don't know what it's called exactly, but yeah, we need to unscrew them, redo the ends, and screw them back in. Yeah. Also, we'll add few of these holders, I guess. Looking fresh, looking clean. Also did some maintenance around the yard. Got rid of the old body that I have cut up. Also got rid of the second part of second project. So no second project. But that's okay. I'll think of something. But yeah, basically got the engine mounts in place. Now I need to, well, yeah, the plan for today would be redo the ends on the tubing, maybe pull through the vacuum tubes so I can connect to the rear diff lock. I'm not connecting the rear axle to anything right now. As you can see, the brake line should go there, but yeah, I won't screw it in there because I still need to remove the axle, clean it up. Also, the suspension that I will be getting next year, it's gonna be lifted, so all these ventilation tubes will need to be remade. That's all for the next. So these connectors are on 10 millimeters. Yeah, it needs to be double flared. Double flaring is the key. First you make a little bubble, then you make it double. Well, no pun intended. Yeah, something like that should happen. Initially I used 4.75 millimeter head on them, but yeah, I see that it already have pressed in as needed, but still. Ew, that's why. Okay. Now you just find the one you need. I think for me it was 5 millimeter one. Yeah. Just close it up. Put it all the way through. I just use this tool to press into there. Something close, similar to medieval torture devices. But yeah, If it worked then, it works now. Give it a good press, release it, and you're all set to do the second one. I'll speed it up. I remade all of those. Also, this Patrol doesn't have ABS or anything like that, or the fancy stuff. So the rear splitter, I guess, brake splitter, there are two R letters on the lower ones and one F letter on the upper one. So as my understanding goes, the middle one, the upper R, is going to rear axle brakes. It was connected like, well, like there. It went like this. The lower R goes all the way to the front, and the F, the upper one, also goes to the front. Here we can see is the brake reservoir, brake fluid reservoir, and this is the almighty five side splitter, or whatever you want to call it. This lower one goes to the F1 connected to the rear, and these upper ones, this one is the R, also going to the rear, and the side one goes to the front axle. Like here it is. I had it like, let me just get it. We had it like something like this. This is the mounting point. So basically we had it like this, or I don't know. Well, it was somewhere up here and just went here. This is the original tubing, so yeah, it goes like this, if you can see it anyway. Okay, now I won't be putting the front one in yet. That one, I won't be putting it in yet because I have another one and I'm getting it cleaned, so yeah, we'll get back to that later. But yeah, the idea is all the pipes are through, so we just connect it here, connect both tubes, prepare the front axle brake lines, and then when I'm finished cleaning up the axle and restoring, if I will go that far, then I will just connect it and we have working brake systems. Well, except the reservoir that goes through in the body itself, and that body will be not that fast because first it's gonna be engine, everything around here, and then only then body. Okay, nevertheless, I used a lot of, well, not a lot of, but I used the original mounts. As you can see here, I reused them. They aren't in the best shape, but oh well. Now the only thing I have that I want is one extra. I bought it. So also, let me just steady the camera to there. And also, I have this mounted for 4 tubes, 2 small ones, 2 larger ones, so 2 brake lines and 2 gas lines, fuel lines. And this is the original metal mount, so I will just put it in like this. Anyway, I'll put it in and then screw it down. Let's try that. Okay, let's try to clean the gas tank so I can paint it and it looks a bit better, more civilized, you could say. This is what we have. We cleaned it. Now we just need to paint it. The gas tank is painted, well, the upper side. I'll let it dry till tomorrow or something, and then I will continue with painting the underside. I still need to paint the guard, the gas tank guard, or whatever it's called. But yeah, so this is the progress for now. Basically, yeah, next part will be a bit later, because currently I'm done with this episode. I will put the gas tank in next time. I guess connect it also there. Think about how I will bend the tubes so they look prettier. Also, I need to get some screws to screw down the mounts for the vacuum pipes tubes, so I can also prepare the connection to the axle, the rear diff. But yeah, this is the end of this episode. Now you know the progress, and see you in the next episode. Bye.